Hello Richard, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Sport. This is a four-wheel drive with the 5.7 liter Hemi. It has front fog lamps, it's got a sunroof and roof rack, 17-inch aluminum wheels. There is a little bit of mag chloride corrosion on the front driver's side wheel. Some Toyo Open Country, very good tread left on these tires. Heated side mirrors, it's got power locks, doors and windows, 2-position driver memory for the seat. It's got electric seat with leather. These are heated seats. 106,037 miles. Cruise control. It's an automatic with tap up, tap down shifting, 4-wheel low button. Traction control, tow haul mode. This has a trailering package as well. Navigation and 6-disc changer. Bluetooth for the phone, it's their Uconnect system. Moving to the back seat. Little scratch on the plastic right here. Otherwise, this vehicle is in very good shape. Leather in the back seat here is in excellent condition. Fold down armrest, vents for climate in the back. Plenty of cargo room in the rear of the vehicle. An extra carpeted mat in the back. Again, it's set up for towing. Same type of mag chloride corrosion on the back wheel here, just little bits. Nice chrome side molding. Power on the passenger side as well. Front right wheel. Also, Lauren mentioned that you wanted some shots, if I can, underneath the vehicle here. I don't know how good the lighting's going to be, but we'll give it a shot. Looks like very light surface rust is all. And under the front end, driver's side, Spare tire is also in excellent condition. And she said also you wanted to hear the vehicle start. So we'll do that now. Well, there it is, Richard. For more information, you can visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonschevy.com or give us a call at 1-866-800-2138. I'll follow up with a phone call here to you shortly to make sure that you received and were able to open this video. Thanks, Richard.